Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for our new and exciting topic. Before diving into this week's subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneur ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic, Fingerprinting Verification Form. This fingerprinting verification form typically refers to a document used in the context of criminal background checks or security clearances processes. This form is used to collect and verify an individual's fingerprints, which are unique to each person, to confirm their identity and check for any criminal history or other relevant information. Here is a breakdown of what a typical fingerprinting verification form may include. Personal information. The personal information of the form will usually begin by collecting personal details of the individual, such as the full name, date of birth, social security number, address, and contact information. The fingerprint section. This is the part that's most critical part of the form. It may include spaces where the individual fingerprints are typically recorded. Typically, a trained professional or law enforcement officer will assist in taking the fingerprints, ensuring they are properly captured and clear. The fingerprints are often recorded on special fingerprint card or electronically using fingerprint scanning equipment. Authorization and consent. The form may include a section where the individual gives their consent for giving the fingerprinting process and acknowledge that fingerprints will be used for the background checks or other security-related purposes. This section may also include information about the rights of the individual regarding the use of their fingerprints. Signature and dates. The individual is usually required to sign and date the form to confirm their consent and the accuracy of the information provided. Agency or organization information. The form may include information about the agency, organization, or institution requesting the fingerprints and verification process. This could include the name and contact agency details or any reference or case number associated with the background check. Witness or officials information. In some cases, there may be a section for a witness or official who is conducting the fingerprinting to provide their information, such as their name, title, and contact details. Once the individual has completed the form, and their fingerprints have been properly recorded, the form will typically be submitted to the relevant authorities, agency responsible for conducting the background check or security clearances. These authorities will use the fingerprints to verify the individual's identity and conduct the check on the criminal database and other relevant information to determine their suitability for a particular role or purpose. It is important to note that the specific contents and formatting of the fingerprinting verification form can vary by jurisdiction. Background checks and the agency or organization responsible for administering the process. Individuals undergoing fingerprinting should carefully read and follow instructions provided on the form and seek clarification if needed. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content.